If the patched area does not set or remains tacky, act methodically to identify and correct the cause so the repair can cure properly. First, allow more curing time than you initially expected because many patching compounds require longer periods under real-world conditions than the label suggests. Check the weather and ambient humidity because high humidity slows evaporation and chemical curing, which can leave the surface tacky for hours or even days. Compact the patch thoroughly using a hand tamper or the flat edge of a trowel until the compound is dense and free of voids, because trapped air prevents proper bonding and curing. Remove any surface contamination like oil, paint, or release agents by wiping with a solvent recommended on the product label so the compound can adhere and chemically set as designed. If the packaging lists a compatible additive or accelerator, follow those instructions precisely and measure by volume or weight as directed. If the compound remains unset after addressing these factors, isolate the area from traffic to avoid disturbance while you evaluate next steps. Common mistakes include assuming the surface is clean when oils or dust are present, which prevents bonding and leaves the patch soft. Correct this by cleaning with the appropriate solvent and allowing the substrate to dry fully before reapplying. Another issue is insufficient compaction, which leaves voids and causes tackiness. Fix this by removing the soft material, recompacting the base, and reapplying the compound in thin lifts with firm tamping. A third frequent problem is trying to cure a patch in high humidity or low temperature conditions, which slow chemical reactions. The remedy is to wait for favorable conditions or provide temporary ventilation or heating within the limits recommended by the product label. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct contact. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share field-tested tips and troubleshooting advice related to patching and other home projects.